Hey, Harry. I hope this kind of gives you a hand. So, looking at question 200, or page 200, question 1A, if you're just trying to find the hypotenuse and understanding it, finding the hypotenuse, which is this guy over here, okay, or hype, is simply using, for this question, simply you could use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Now, c squared is always going to be the hypotenuse. I usually kind of label, doesn't matter which way you actually label. You can label either side, flip flop, or this will be A in this case and this will be B. Now, once we know the formula we're using here, you're just substituting. So for A, you're going to put 12.3. Remember, it's got to be squared. Plus B, just 7.9 squared, which is going to equal your C squared. All right. Now, punching in a calculator, squared means by itself. So 12.3, whoops, 12.3 times 12.3 should give you 151.29 added to 7.9 squared is going to give you 62.41. Now that's going to equal, when you add them together, okay, and you add them together is going to give you c squared, the value of c squared, plus 151.29. Okay, so punching those into your calculator, you're going to get 213.7 equals c squared. But you can't leave it like this, okay? Because you got to find the value of just c. So what we do is we enter the square root of 213.7, which is going to give you just c. Now punching it into the calculator, and hopefully you can see this. I can't see it. Okay. Now, hopefully you can see this. Basically, for this calculator, all you do is hit the square root button first, and then you just enter 213.7, close the bracket, hit equals. It's going to give you 14.618. Okay. We can leave that as simply 14.6 or 15. And that's basically how you use the numbers you're given to find the hypotenuse. Okay, and that is basically what we call Pythagoras' theorem. I hope this helped. If that's not exactly what you were looking for, please send me another message and I will try to figure out and make sure you get what you need.